GöSol stands for pragmatism, long-termism, and functionalism. It represents professionalism, excellence, and commitment. Since its establishment, this has never changed. Originating from Solingen, Germany, GöSol has expanded to more than 30 countries and regions across Europe, Asia, the Middle East, and the Americas. German quality has earned the trust of professionals worldwide. The story of GöSol begins in 1953, in Solingen, North Rhine-Westphalia, a city renowned for blades and scissors craftsmanship. Brothers Artur Göddert and Willi Göddert started their journey in a small family workshop of less than 100 square meters. Quality was never a feature, it was the foundation. Gö is derived from the family surname Göddert, carrying the mission and glory of family heritage. Sol is taken from the first three letters of Solingen, Germany, laying the foundation for the brand's outstanding genes. GöSol has always focused on personal care and beauty tools, as well as professional manicure and eyelash tools, rooted in traditional German craftsmanship and enhanced by continuous innovation. Each product is designed to deliver both functionality and refined aesthetics. Remaining true to its original aspiration for nearly a century, GöSol still upholds the characteristics of the workshop spirit today. Every process is meticulously completed by artisans, embodying the craftsmanship and perseverance of 3 generations of the family and inheriting the exquisite techniques passed down in Solingen since the 19th century. GöSol has been awarded the Red Dot Design Award multiple times, earning international recognition in both product design and professional tool industries. Starting from Solingen, Germany, and expanding globally, it is dedicated to spreading the rich heritage of the family to every corner of the world. Shaped by craftsmanship and time, GöSol inherits its unremitting pursuit of excellence and continues to write a brilliant new chapter. Where beauty meets excellence. German brand. Quality since 1953.